If you have kids, this is eventually going to happen to you. And you'll probably find out the way I did. Hidden. Towel racks and kids just don't get along. They are using them for chin-up bars. This one is shot, but I've got an idea. Replacement bar and a dowel rod. Interested? Here we go. Here's my first one. And I was actually able to recover this, luckily because it's gold and it's harder to find. What I did here is I just took a regular square dowel. I found one at Home Depot, Lowe's, I can't even remember. And you can see it fits in there pretty tight. You want something that really isn't going to flex the bar whatsoever. Originally I thought about using a narrower dowel because it fits in there pretty easily, but that's going to eventually give way. It's not going to work for you. What you want is something that is slightly too big. This is a 1/2 inch dowel and it's too small. It's not going to work for you. This is a 3/4 inch dowel. It's not going to fit, but use a bench or a block plane and plane it out in 4 directions, and that will be a really tight fit. If you don't want to go to all that trouble, you can certainly get a square dowel. It's a little more expensive and it will slide right in. I think that's a 1/2 inch square dowel. Maybe it's slightly bigger than a 1/2 inch, but it fits better and it doesn't bend. All I did is take a 3/4 inch dowel, because I had a whole bunch of them, used a block or bench plane and just shaved it down on 4 sides. It's pretty easy. You want to do this on a bench, you don't want to hold it. But then you'll have a shape that fits perfectly in the tube. And that will not bend whatsoever. So if you want to be preventative and keep this from going on to anywhere, less than $1, you could teenage proof every one of your towel racks. Another hint is I got a old towel rack out of Habitat for Humanity, and I got the whole thing, this, that, and the bar for less than $1. So you save an $8 installation by going to Habitat Humanity. Can you tell the difference? I can't, except for this one is protected. You loosen up this screw, take the old damaged one off, put your newly fixed on, and put it in place. Good to go. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Please subscribe below and stay tuned for more home fixes, home builds, inventions coming soon.